Alright, so in part one we're going to be solving equations the SAT or ACT way. And so here we go. If 2x plus 3 equals 9, what is the value of 4x minus 3? So when I look at this equation, I see that there's one variable and I can solve it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So 2x plus 3 equals 9. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3 on both sides. So I'm left with 2x equals 6. I'm going to go ahead and divide by 2 in order to isolate x. And x equals 3. So now that I know x equals 3, it asks what is the value of 4x minus 6. So I'm actually just going to substitute 3 in for x. That's literally all this problem is asking you to do. So the answer is 9. So again, it's essentially saying if 2x plus 3 equals 9, if it gives you this equation, solve for x so that you can determine the value of 4x minus 3. Alright, question 2. If 13 equals 25 minus x minus y, what is x plus y? So when I look at this, I know that my goal is to get x plus y by itself on the left side of the equal sign. Okay, so kind of like here, this was 2x plus 3 equals 9. Automatically, when we look at this, we know we kind of want to solve for x. In this case, we want to solve for x plus y. So let's go ahead and start with 13 equals 25 minus x minus y. And so for me, what I automatically think is I see that I want my x to be positive. So I'm going to go ahead and add x to both sides so that it starts getting positive. So this becomes 13 plus x equals 25 minus y. I see I also want my y to be positive, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add y to both sides. So this will be 13 plus x plus y because none of them are like terms. And again, my goal is to get x plus y. So I see x plus y here. I just need to get rid of the 13. So I'm going to subtract 13 from both sides. So I get x plus y equals 25 minus 13 is 12. So what is the value of x plus y? X plus y is 12. This is what's called a grid-in, so I just write 12 up here. It doesn't matter which side you start from. And then I bubble in each number. Question 3. If 12x plus 6y equals 36, what is 2x plus y? Again, I see this and I automatically think this is my goal. My goal is to get 2x plus y equal to something. So I'm going to start with 12x plus 6y equals 36. And I see my x term, and I want it to be a 2x. So there's only one x term, so what I'm automatically thinking about is that if I could divide 12x by, say, 6, I would get 2x. But if I'm going to divide one term by 6, remember, whatever you do to one thing, you do to everything. So really what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide each and every term by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2x. 6 divided by 6 is 1y. And 36 divided by 6 is 6. Sure enough, I get 2x plus y. And what does it equal? 6. Use the answer key to answer all the other questions.